G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Review, and today we're doing the Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 unboxing. If you're happy to see this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. 32 gigs of storage, 3 gigs of RAM, midnight black, dual SIM, Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. Nothing too out of the ordinary here. You can see it's got the dewdrop display, so happy days. First things first, on the top there, you have your device. Just going to power that on. Put it over there while it's booting up. Then in here, you know, this is what I love about these brands. You've got Huawei and Oppo. They're thrown in a case for you right from the get-go. Even for a cheap device. Happy days. There's a case. So that's just to keep it scratch-free in the initial stages. And then we'll see what else is on the market. Quick start guides, blah, blah, blah. SIM ejection tool, power brick, and micro USB to USB type A. Pity it's not USB type C, but hey, you get that these days. I think you also get in here a pair of headphones. They look pretty big and beefy. That's all you get in the box. Really happy to see a case in there. We'll put that on shortly. Now, the part we all love. And look at that, midnight black. AI camera, artificial intelligence. Huawei. On the front, you've got your dewdrop, you've got your speaker. On the bottom, you've got your speakers, your micro USB. And on the top, you've got a microphone and a headphone port. On the left-hand side, we have a power button, volume up and down. That's it. There's your SIM tray in there. So just going to quickly boot this up. Let's see how easy or difficult setup can be. Display looks alright. Bit of branding down the bottom here. Huawei. CW Tech. Plastic on the back. Plastic on the sides, I think. Comes with a screen protector pre-installed, which is nice. Okay. Hey, I'm going to set up face unlock. Well, that was pretty easy. I don't want that. 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 Later Gators. Nice looking display. Now this is only a 720p display, I believe. Now this is a 6.2 inch display, 13 megapixel camera on the back, 16 megapixel camera on the front, and it also has another 2 megapixel depth sensor camera on the back there as well. Very shiny looking. I think it might be a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but time will tell. Now one thing that I'm impressed with, it comes with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So I'm going to see how well that lasts and if it's actually worth the hype, because I know with my Galaxy Note 9, it's not worth the hype. I mean, I don't get any extra out of it. So I'll be hopeful to see if I do get any extra out of it on the Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. Now this comes with a Snapdragon 450, which is pretty low end. I did say once when I tried a Nokia that was a Snapdragon 450 that I'd never try another phone with a Snapdragon 450, but I will, because not everyone makes dud software, and I believe at that stage of the game Nokia had a pretty dud setup with their software. It wasn't very optimized. So 3 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 450, nice display, nice big display, like I said, 6.2 inch. Dewdrop display. I think the speaker will be pretty minimal down here, which will be easy to block. Let's try the camera. I'm going to give all my permissions again. So that wasn't super fast, but the image doesn't look too bad. Let's go again. That was a bit better. Let's check out the image. And that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I mean, this is like, in the US, this would be like $200 max, maybe $199, $180 if it was even for sale in the US. But in Australia, these are going for about $299, I believe. So, face unlock works quick enough. No fingerprint scanner, which might disappoint some, but for some people, that face unlock is gonna be lots of fun. Can you see that? I'll try and get it so you can see it. That's how quick it is. Quick enough anyway, quick enough. There you go. What do you want to see in the full review? What do you want me to focus on? Of course, I'm going to do the cameras. I'm going to do some gaming. I'm going to do day-to-day use. Might do the video quality as well. Let me know in the comments down below and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll cover as much as I can with the Huawei Y7 Pro for 2019. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Check out.